Toyota is arriving at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show like a headliner that knows exactly how to keep a crowd curious. The show opens to the public from October 31 to November 9, with press days just before that, and the company is clearly using the stage to push imagination first and spec sheets later. Think bold shapes, unexpected proportions, and concepts designed to spark debate the moment they roll under the lights. Lexus is set to bring a concept minivan spun from the Lexus LS, and yes, it has 6 wheels. It looks less like a family shuttle and more like a rolling lounge. The silhouette suggests a low, stretched body with an emphasis on serenity and space, which fits the idea of a show car as conversation starter. There is every chance this remains a one-off design exercise, but it signals where Lexus thinks luxury people movers could go when designers are allowed to color outside the lines. Expect it to be all-electric, quiet, and theatrical. The Century brand has its own surprise. A high-riding, stately coupe with doors that play by their own rules. From the teasers, the passenger side seems traditional, while the driver's side mixes a forward-sliding main door with a smaller rear element that tucks backward. No visible central pillars, a driver's seat that appears more centered than usual, and a fastback tail that reads like formal wear with a rebellious streak. It is a show car meant to challenge what chauffeur-worthy might mean in the next decade. And then there is the unnamed 4-door sedan, potentially a first look at the 13th generation of the Toyota Corolla sedan. The face takes Toyota's current C-shaped light signature and stretches it into a full-width LED bar with vertical details to frame the grille and give the car a more planted stance. A small flap on the front driver's side fender hints at charging hardware, which suggests either an all-electric setup or a plug-in hybrid powertrain. The message is clear. Toyota is preparing to evolve one of its most important nameplates without losing the approachable identity that made it global. If there is a theme to Toyota's presence this year, it is permission to dream. Some of these ideas will not reach production in their show car form, and that is the point. The company is using JMS as a sandbox to test proportion, presence, and personality. When the doors open and the cameras start clicking, the questions will begin. Will Lexus actually build a 6-wheeler? Is Century about to expand into expressive grand tours? Is the next Corolla leaning fully electric? That curiosity is exactly what keeps car culture fun. If you enjoyed this preview, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because it really helps the channel and keeps these deep dives coming.